Thank you for taking the time to review my video. This is one of my favorite parts of the end of the semester where I get to outline everything that I've completed over the course of the 8 weeks, especially the major projects that took a lot of time and effort to complete. So thank you again, and let's dive into it. So the first assignment that I have here from the top is the DDE model. This is where I got to design a student-centered unit of learning. This allowed me to outline an entire project. For me personally, I am very passionate about community service. So the first thing that I thought about as far as applying a project like this in an educational setting would be to create a senior project where students would create a volunteer service project for their 11th grade peers. So that would be their senior project. This was a very difficult assignment that I really enjoyed because it was very challenging. And it is one of the most extensive assignments I've had so far in my graduate studies. I will say this assignment gave me the opportunity to challenge myself to not get overwhelmed and look at the bigger picture and just take it piece by piece to figure out everything that I wanted to do and achieve. So I'm really proud of the work that I've completed, and I appreciate the final result. So the next assignment that I completed was the Multimedia Research Summary and Analysis paper. This was another one that was slightly challenging because it involved academic research, gathering references to actually have a concrete paper that outlines all of your ideas. So I did mine that focused on multimedia and constructivism. During my graduate studies, constructivism is really something that stood out to me, so that's what I wanted to do a paper on. The only thing that I found very interesting is that a lot of the studies that focuses on multimedia in education seem pretty outdated to me personally, because at the time that many of these studies were conducted, let's say the late 2000s and early 2010s, the technology and use of technology at that point was very fascinating, but now technology is so prevalent in the 2020s that I don't believe it correlates well, and I feel like there needs to be more studies currently compared to what has been done in the past. So that was one of the things I took away from this assignment, and I would love to see more studies in the future. And as you can see here, most of my resources were from between 2009 and 2015, which, as you can imagine, even though that's not a long time period, the progression of technology from just that short time is pretty drastic. But I enjoyed this assignment because it was challenging to look through a large amount of papers just to outline a paper such as this. Here we have by far my favorite assignment, because I personally enjoy design, art, is the Principle of Design's graphic organizer, which gave me the opportunity to refine my skills in doing infographics. This is one of the places that I've fallen short throughout my graduate studies, but I feel like I am improving. And I do feel like I executed this course outcome by applying principles of design, and I love the outcome of it. I actually want to do a painting based on this color scheme because I truly love the way this came out. And next, I have a video, a tutorial specifically, that I also was very passionate about, because I enjoy video editing. So this was a no-brainer for me. I If I could use video in everything, I would. I enjoy editing, thinking about things that I can present in this format. Um, so this is one of my favorite assignments. And lastly, we have my collaborative digital storytelling project. This was a group project that I truly enjoyed. I got to work with a classmate who I worked with, well, not directly with, but worked alongside last semester with, who's excellent in everything she does, and then a new student in the program. This was amazing. Um, I did find it challenging in our roles completing this because we were all working virtually. I have prior experience in music engineering, so trying to uh, compose everything without being physically with each other was kind of difficult. But as you can see, it was well executed, and we accomplished it, and it all came out well. Um, so yeah, this is my portfolio. This is everything that I've completed so far since the fall 2020 semester, and I'm very proud of everything. And I look forward to adding more to it next semester. Thank you for watching my video, and have a great day.